Hello everyone, welcome to watch tutorial video of NAVIFORCE 9199 model watch. In this video, I will guide you the easiest way to set digital time and analog time together. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date in this watch is whether you are in timekeeping mode or not. If you see here on the display, it's 4:50 currently of PM. So it means I'm in timekeeping mode. If you are in somewhere other function, simply press left side down button. This is another alarm mode. This is stopwatch. So as you see here, if I continue press, I will definitely come in timekeeping mode. Once you come here, press left side down button for 3 times. Once, twice and thrice. After pressing for 3 times, you can see here the seconds have started blinking on my display of watch. To adjust this, press right side top button. Whenever I press right side top button, it makes it 0. Now to adjust hour and minute, press right side down button. As you see here, the hours have started blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead. So if I continue press this same button, it even changes AM and PM. You can see here, nothing is mentioned over there. It means it is AM. If I continue press this same button, it goes to PM. So as you see here, the P is mentioned here in small icon. See, the P is mentioned. That means it is in PM. Now after adjusting hour to adjust minute, press right side down button again. Press right side top button to go ahead. So in this way, you can adjust hour and minute of this watch. Now to adjust date, press right side down button again. You can see here, this is month. Press right side top button to go ahead. So in this way, you can change the month. After adjusting month, to adjust date, press right side down button again. 9 to 10. In this way, you can select your date. After adjusting this, to adjust days of a week, press right side down button again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. In this way, you can even select days of a week. After adjusting these all, to keep this all time and adjustment as it is, press right side down button. So whatever adjustment you have done, now it's fixed over here. Now to adjust hour format, press right side top button. If I press this, it goes to 24 hour. If I press this again, it comes to 12 hour. Now to adjust this analog time, it's very easy. Simply pull out this crown outside. As you see here, I pulled out this crown outside. Now rotate this clockwise. So currently it's 2:59. So as you see here, in this way you can adjust digital and analog time together in NAVIFORCE 9199 model watch. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel because I upload different watch related tutorial video